Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As everyone, of course, on the channel today is very excited about POPCAT. I see all the comments is about POPCAT, so therefore, of course, POPCAT got priority today after Bitcoin. Normally it is FET or Solana. So POPCAT, of course, because of the listing in Coinbase, yeah. So this is very interesting today. For POPCAT, and 14 February, by the way, happy Valentine's. So yeah, POPCAT is, guys, it's doing great already from the latest video. Even from this price, I made a video. I told you we're moving higher. And here we go. I mean, good for you guys. I know some special members in this channel that they took this trade from the down, possibly, of course, and I'm very happy for them if they did this 130% profit. And yeah, so these are the scenarios. I also was reading some fundamentals about POPCAT, why this did happen. So I knew that one whale removed $10 million from Bybit for POPCAT. It was already invested in POPCAT, and he removed it exactly from there. But don't forget that we already have been, of course, watching this, and we saw that this is going corrective and is not good, if you remember. So if that way, if you are watching our channel, we are watching you too. So let's start on POPCAT for the daily. We have A B, and a C toward the upside. All right, we have finished a wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, we have finished a wave A. For the blue count, and we are looking for wave B, C toward the upside. In case we are, of course, it is a very deep correction based to the news that I just said right now, and that's why, okay, we saw this very massive drop. And of course, yeah, so it has just touched the bottom, and simply we are moving again toward the upside for POPCAT again, because of course POPCAT is a very how to say popular meme coin right now, is the most popular, and we are in a great formation for a leading diagonal on the 1 hour chart. Very nice price action. This is exactly what I was looking for. If you remember the stream, the last stream, the only stream on the channel right now, this was my first, and of course POPCAT was mentioned with this contracting leading diagonal. So basically we are very impulsive. You have two bullish scenarios. It can be a leading diagonal, or it can be triple 1-2s, guys. What I like in this is the momentum. Yeah, the momentum of the wave 2s are pretty nice. Yeah, so we would like, of course, to continue toward the upside and see, of course, continuation. As you can see, this final wave is 3 waves, A, B, C as well. We can count the same probably here. And of course, for the 3, for the 4, for the 5, finishing a wave 1 probably, and looking for wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So let's put our scenarios here. Of course, this is for our chart. Let me check. What did we have before? Oh, we have this diagonal already before. Sorry. Yeah, so we have it already. Yeah, we hit the wave 3 perfect fib level, wave 4 a little bit deeper than the perfect fib level, but still very possible, the 0.618. Yeah, is very possible target as well for a wave 4. And then continuation, perfect target as well given for a wave 5 in the blue box. Ta-dam! So moving toward the upside now, confirmation for a wave 3. What did I meant was this wave 1? Okay. Yeah, so this is okay. No, this is a fib level, not a wave 1. Okay, removed. Yeah, so these are the nice scenarios. Now, okay, so we have a wave 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is our first bullish scenario towards the upside, guys. All right. Now, our fib levels for a wave 2. Don't forget that a leading diagonal can be very tricky. Yeah, start to moving directly towards the upside, and I think this is what you love in it. In this scenario, in case this happens, right? So if we have here, of course, let's remove this. Yeah, let's just remove it. Cleaner, better, right? So I think we can remove all of that. Now, it is nice that we see, of course, this has happened. as a leading diagonal. This is all what we need. The ABC is not is invalidation. We remove the ABC as well, as this one is not used anymore. Okay, so here we go. We are clean now. Let's remove this one too. Already hit. Here we go. All right, guys. Wave 2, A, B, and a C, meaning your target for a wave 2 is the following. Here we go. This might be your perfect wave 2. Of course, it can be even higher, meaning you would like to see the wave 2 now continues the same momentum and even higher. Yeah, I prefer even higher, somehow like this. Let's say like this. Meaning I would prefer to see a wave 2 somehow like this. So A, B, and a C, let's say, kind of, and then explosion toward the upside. Yeah, so preferably, okay, it's just a possibility, guys, here. But I would love to see the momentum start to move like this, in a curve, and not just in a line, yeah, but in a curve. And this, of course, will make it, of course, much more explosive and much more, much more bullish. So yeah, these are the scenario for the bullish. I would love to see, of course, this momentum increasing rather than just continuously linear. I would just like to see it increasing in a curve. And confirmation for wave 3, why? Yeah, I remember. So if we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, you would like to continue towards the upside, but this was old. I think this was old, something else we were looking for here. Yeah, now we're looking for this wave 2. Yeah, we're looking for wave 2. Minimum target is 0.38. Okay, if that is the case scenario, I would like, yeah, okay, it's gonna be like this then, because the minimum target is 38. Yeah, I think the momentum has to continue linear here. But probably this opens much more higher possibility for triple 1-2s rather than leading diagonal. Yeah, and triple 1-2s might be, of course, much bullish. Yeah, much more bullish than a leading diagonal, because in a leading diagonal you will finish, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If you have a triple 1-2s, you will have a 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the upside. Yeah, more and more higher prices. So yeah, very, very nice for a POPCAT. What I like to see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably is this not clear. It can be a leading diagonal. Let me check just this one. 1, 2, probably okay. Probably this is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, very possible. Yeah, for triple 1-2s. I'm just checking, double checking if this can transform, of course, into a wave 1. If that is the case scenario, then awesome, right? So it's gonna be probably triple 1-2s as well. We have both possibilities, guys. So yeah, to be watched. Let's take some targets in case, of course, in case we hit the first 1-2 here. Let's say this is your first 1-2, and let's say we touch the minimum target. Of course, this is guys, a virtual target, yeah, because you know, if it took time to come back to POPCAT. I know you will remind me anyway, but if it took time, just let's put a target as virtual, yeah, for the next price action, probably for the bullish 0.52, yeah, and to be updated, because this has to follow where we bottom for wave 2 here. And it depends, of course, if we are in a leading diagonal, of course, it's gonna be higher first. And if we are in the triple 1-2, your first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is gonna hit here, and then continuation for several 4, 5. Now, how do we know much more if we are in 1-2 or a leading diagonal? If the price action take the low here, yeah, meaning much higher possibility, of course, for a leading diagonal directly. Okay, a leading diagonal can be, of course, the 83 cents for POPCAT as a scenario. Yeah, so these are the insights, guys. I prefer to stick with the triple 1-2s right now, in case this is, of course, virtual, guys, but to be reanalyzed. That was it for POPCAT. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.